He bit an angel worm in half
and ate the fellow raw.
and then he drank a dew from the convenient grass, and then hopped sideways to the wall to let the beetle pass. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. They looked like frightened bees, I thought.
He stirred his velvet head.
Like one in danger cautious, I offered him a crumb. And he unrolled his feathers
and rowed him softer home.
Then oars divide the ocean to silver for a sea. For butterflies off bank of noon
Leap pashes as they swim.